heard of Michael's Craft Store's mystery boxes? Maybe you've seen some of my other Michael's mystery boxes videos. If not, let me go ahead and fill you guys in. So Michael's takes a bunch of seasonal items from their previous season, things that didn't sell, packs them into this sealed mystery box. It's about 2 feet by 1 feet in size, so you have no idea what's inside until you open it. The boxes usually start at $10 each, and sometimes they even drop the price for 2 boxes for $10. So guess what? So I was at Michael's this morning picking up some crafts for my next project, and I spotted these mystery boxes, and honestly I love these. They're so exciting to open them up, see what you get inside. So that's what we're gonna do today. I got 2 of these and we're gonna open them up together and check them out. So hi guys, I'm Tori. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new here. I'm so glad that you stopped on my video. My channel is all about do-it-yourself crafts, from Cricut to sublimation, Dollar Tree, do-it-yourself, engraving, laser, and so much more. So if you love creating and getting crafty, you're in the right place. If that sounds like your thing, then I'd love for you to stick around, hit the subscribe button so you never miss any new videos. And if you find this video helpful, hitting the like button helps the algorithm and it supports my channel. So are you guys ready? Let's get started. So we got 2 of these. So I got 2 boxes, this roll of wrapping paper, and this all for $10. Can you believe that? Two boxes for $10, and then they threw the wrapping paper and the ornaments in free. So that's a pretty awesome deal so far, don't you think? So let's go ahead. I'm excited. Let's check it out, see what we got. We're gonna go ahead, I'm getting scissors, we're gonna open it up. So I love this because we spend a lot as it is making crafts, and so it's just nice. It's like I can either give this away or I can use a lot of it in another craft. So you guys ready? Let's check it out. These are so cute, little chalk. So I got some chalk, which my kids used to love playing chalk. So we got, let's see how many we got. So we have 1, 2, 3. Okay, so it looks like I got 3 and they're scented, right? Scentos. So, all right. So we got 3 of those. And these always come in handy. Okay, so these are decorative fillers, and look, there's like little mini ornaments inside. That's cute. So you can't go wrong with these. Let's see, how much are these normally? $6. $6 each. So those are cute. Oh, these ones are cute. Look, like the little, you know, metallic. Can you believe, would you guys pay $6 for this? Oh, I don't think I could. This. All right. Then we got another scented, but this is markers. That's cute. So I think you have to open it. It's watermelon. So I actually will probably use these. I'll have to give the chalk away. And I have to give some of these away too. So cute. See? All right. And this. So let's see, we're getting into something different, okay? What the heck is this? This is huge. Let me get some of the stuff. Oh, this is so adorable. You guys, this is so cute. This was worth it. This was so worth it for me. This is a tree skirt. Look at that. Isn't that freaking adorable? Oh my God, that's so cute. That is so freaking cute. Oh my gosh, I don't want to open it because you know it never folds back up the way it should. That is so cute. And the little ears, you guys. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna have to show it to you for a Christmas video. So cute. Like obviously around Christmas. Let's see. Okay, so I got another one of these. So, and then it looks like I got another one. Let me see. Is that the same? Yeah, this one is the same. Isn't that so cute? Oh my gosh. That is adorable. I love it. I thought it was like a little sleeping bag or something, but it's not. It's a tree skirt. So let's see. This is $60. Would you guys pay $60 for this? I'm always curious. I mean, it's a good deal if you get 40% off, but it's an even better deal when you do this. This was worth it. I love it. All right. So I think I did good. Let's go ahead. Oh, this is so freaking cute. Let's get the tape off of there. That's really, really cute. Okay, I'm gonna shove this stuff back in here nicely, of course, and we're gonna open the next one. And what I like about it is they try not to put, like, the reason they put all of these into one box is they try not, if you buy more than one box, they try to make it not be the exact same thing, you know? So that's pretty cool of them. Ready? This is the next one. Let's see where to open it. And they don't let you peek at all. Like, there's like a little thing on the side. You can see very little, but some of them tape that and they're like, no, you can't look. So you have really no idea. And honestly, it's no fun if you peek. See? Dun, da, da, da. Let's see. Aww. Okay, so these are a little bit different. These are actually paint dabbers. So they are different. And it looks like that would be for like bingo, right? Yeah, and they smell good too. All right. And then we did get the same, but not all of it. I think there's like 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, let's see, 3. This may just be something they just throw in the box too. So these are cute. All right, and then same. All right, let's set that aside and then we get to the good stuff. Woo. Aww, okay, so this is kind of cute, but it looks like it's already broken. It says cheers. Isn't that cute? But it's cracked right there. So that's kind of no good. So that's probably gonna be tossed. Then we got buffalo. What is this? Okay, we got snowflakes. You cannot go wrong with snowflakes because you always need those. And this almost looks like Valentine's Day. Yeah, it is a little Valentine's Day. So that's cute. That got stuck in there. Little glitter, little stuff. That's cute. And this is cute. Oh, the little advent. Is it the advent calendar type? Let's see. Yeah, it's just a little decoration. Yeah, a little advent. This is so cute. Let's see. You do like, let's put it here. Dun, da, 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 da. That's cute, you guys. Don't you think? That is cute. $25. All right. This is cute. 'Tis the season. That's cute. Can you guys see it? I don't know if there's like a little shadow or whatever. Okay. Let's see. This is a dry erase Santa countdown list. That's cute, right? So cute. And I don't know if you guys saw my video last year. I'll try to remember to link it. It was all ribbon, like so much ribbon. So, but I did get some. This is cute. So I didn't get the one I got last time was like pretty much all plaids, like buffalo. This is cute, cute, cute. And then, oopsies, there's this one. It looks like this one kind of untangled a little bit. Looks like, so let's wrap this up. Dun, 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 dun. Wow, all right. So this is cute. I've never seen this before. It looks like a bathrobe, you know? All right, we have to tape that. And this one, obviously, usually it's not like this. So I'm a little disappointed with that. Just kidding, I'm not. All right, so let's see, let's just wrap this up. Okay, then, wow, hello. This one fell out too. So this is a ribbon. This is cute. This is a really pretty color. So, isn't that cute? This is cute. I don't know why it's off. So I guess that's what I'll be doing after the video. I'll be wrapping them. And here's another one that's off. Let's see. I think what it is like people, you know how it is. It's on clearance. Kids, everybody just opening it. So let's see. Okay. Boom. All right. So we got, okay, some Valentine whip paint. And this is, I've never seen this. Whipped paint. Have you guys seen this? I've never seen that before. I didn't really even know what it is. Like, I guess you make little designs and stuff and then it's, maybe it hardens. That's my guess. So, yeah, there's that. I got 3 of those so far. This is cute. This is a Santa cam. So I can make like a Santa cam ornament with this. Looks like there's 1, 2, 3. That's cool. All right, you guys. This is cute. What do you think? This is 22 bucks, $21.99. That's really cute. So cute. Okay. And we got, oh, this one's even cuter. Oh my gosh. Which one do you like better? Do you like Santa or the reindeer? So there's reindeer and Santa. Comment below. Let me know which one you guys like the best. I like this one. It's so cute. I like the little polka dots. All right, so then we got 1, 2, 3, wow, 4, 5, 6. 6 of, so I got a total of 7 of these. Holy granola bars. Check that out. That's a lot. All right, so, wow. This is actually really cute, I think, to do for like a gift. You can put gifts inside of it. You can even personalize it and give it to a teacher or something. I don't know. So, all right. Here is, what is this? I know it's Santa. It's a flocked Santa. So that's kind of different. You like it? All right. So I got some more of the little webcams, Santa cam. Okay. And then I got some more snow. And I got another ribbon. I don't get this ribbon. You guys gotta check out, does it say what it is? What material? It's like bathrobe material, so I don't know. And then, let's see. There's still more, not much though. All right, so, oh, this is cute. This is cute. Isn't that cute? What does it say? Holiday Pines Tree Farm. That's cute. And there's one more, right? Yeah, one more. This, whoops, this down. This is, oh, it's a magnet. All right, so this is, oh, that's cute. Let's do it like, oh, look, you guys. That is adorable. Look at that. That's so cute. This is so cute. You move it around. I like that. But would you pay 30 bucks for this? Yes or no? Just curious. 30 bucks? I don't think I could, but so what do you guys think? I got a lot of stuff, and it's 10 bucks for everything I just showed you. The 2 boxes, the huge thing of ornaments. I don't even know how many are in the ornaments, and the big nice roll of wrapping paper. 50 ornaments. So I think I did pretty good, you guys. Comment below, let me know what you guys think. And maybe I'm gonna try to do something with this. I don't know. But thanks for watching, you guys. Make sure you hit the subscribe button. Let me know too which one you like best. Do you like, let's put this in here. Do you like the reindeer or Santa? Reindeer, Santa, reindeer, Santa. Comment below, let me know. I like them both, but I kind of like the reindeer. I like the little polka dots. So, bye guys. Thanks for watching. Hit like button, hit subscribe, comment below, everything. Bye.